Olen sa ban sabay ule LTRAL te kani sana hian hun poi mo tak mai man pui cheu ka du video reaction nei pui cheu ka du George Howerton-a Baptist senior pastor lar mai tun laya lar mai an Google ula video te YouTube ate han enula a sermon chatak tak in muhalang supa chuanin 7-day Adventist te dam rei chan sociologist ho mithiam ho in anzir chua aron soi ve tlat maya chu interesting avangin zanina hianin aron soi dan video hi en hawila ti chuanin engtin nge asoya engtin nge 7-day Adventist chu anlo ti kan hriat khan zilai kan zir thei don ani tuna ilo enang sap trong chuni ma se mizo trong kalo soi le zel dona tin chalai zok te phei chuanin sap trong in hrethiam veka ti kan en ho don ani.
So those are the four things: adultery, murder, breaking the Sabbath, rebellion against parents. Now let me ask you, God, this is so important. God put a death sentence on this one. Why? Do you know why? Because when you continually break the Sabbath, you're killing yourself slowly. See, in the New Testament, you won't get killed for working 7 days a week, but you will kill yourself. That's what it does to you, because it's woven into the fabric of creation. Okay, I want to prove this to you. And
Helaya he pastor na ron soi tum chu Sabbath poi mo zia thuthung lui le thuthung thara chang ron soya thuthung luya phei ka chuanin Sabbath ser thalo te ka chu ti thumani thin ti te por ron soya thuthung thara chuanin ti thumani to lawa amara chu kar khata ani sari nia ichol lo hian nangma hi zoi muangin in ti thumani in thatani te na soi ne chu tuna hianin karon proof don ni ti na soi ne chu
here, heads up, you math people, when I'm done doing this, you're going to be like, that was insane. And the rest of you, like the other 93%, I'm going to have to explain it to you. Okay, so just kind of track with me. Now, so sociology.
Helaya soi chu mathematics thiam te ho ka chuanin kan han chu tanga makin tianga afa mak em ve in ti don ani ati ni ti chuan ma se mathematics thiam lo ho ka chu ka hrel fia chawan tha thiam ve me yang ati ni chumo
Just track with me. I like nerded out on this. Sociologists, they did this study a few years ago where they were studying the happiest people on earth. And one of the groups of people they found were happiest is a little Christian sect called the Seventh-day Adventists. And you can tell in their name, they're like really religious about keeping the Sabbath. Now, not only were they some of the happiest people on earth, they bookmark this in your head. This is going to be real important in about 30 seconds. They, on average, live 11 years. 11 years.
helaya kan pastor na soi tum chu sociologist mithiam heng khotlanga mithlim ber te zirmi khatianga zirbing mi mithlim ber te chungchang zirmi te sociologist how khani until zeran serna chuanin 7-day Adventist hi an mutsuaka 7-day Adventist hi an himber te zinga mi chau ani mai lova mimir American mimir achor wala andam sat ai kum som pakhatin andam rei atini chu
11 years longer than the average American. Now, can I show you something that's absolutely amazing? All right, this is so cool. I like numbers. This is so cool. I'm going to show it to you on my calculator so you know I'm not cheating the numbers. Okay. Now, let me show you this. Let me get the zoom in. So what we just said. So the average lifespan in America. Remember, they live 11 years longer than the average American. Okay. The average lifespan in America is 77 years. Okay, 77 years. Now, but what we want to know for the purpose of this is how many days does the average person live? So all we got to do, obviously, is multiply 77 times 365. The average person is going to live 20.
Helaya aron calculate aron chu ta chu American mi ta khu achor walin kum som sari pasari andamani atini chu ania kan calculate chuan ania kan chuanin achor walin American mitin hi nising hi sariat za pangan damani atini
8,105 days. Okay, now what we want to know though is, okay, if a person kept the Sabbath in an average lifetime, how many Sabbaths would they observe? So obviously, a Sabbath, the command is once every 7 days to take a day of rest, holy unto the Lord. So what we need to do to figure how many Sabbaths would the person observe, obviously we just got to divide the number of days by 7 to get number of Sabbaths.
Helaya ron ti tum chu nising hi sangriat za panga chung hianin Sabbath ni engza nge ti kha aron chu do ni achan chu kha mi chung kan Seventh-day Adventist chun ni sari ni apiang kha Sabbath ni kha an serawangin ni sari ni kha engza nge ti aron chu do
Sabbaths
na
they observe. So if you do that, the average person in an average lifespan would observe 4,015 Sabbath days over a 77-year lifetime. Now, okay.
ole helaya lo soi chu kum som sari pasare hian Sabbath ni hi ni sangli som pangalai a omani ti ron soi
Cool, fine. That's a great little fact, Josh. Now, I'm just curious. If you said it in terms of years instead of days, how many years worth of just Sabbaths would a person enjoy during their lifetime? Well, obviously 365 days in a year, so we just need to divide that number by 365, and we'll know exactly how many years worth of Sabbaths they observed, and guess what it is? Exactly 11. Now, some
khop mai lai hi in lo thirem ni sangli som panga kha akuma kan thak le chuan kum som pakhat chiani a zia chu he pastor na soi tum chu kum som sari pasari chunga a chor wala andam chunga kum som sari pasari ni kum som sari pasari chunga Sabbath ni zat kha ni sangli som panga ni kha kan chu de le chuan kum som pakhat ani Seventh-day Adventist 10 kum som sari pasari chunga an Sabbath man zong bel khong kha kum som pakhat ania chu bangin he pastor hena soi chu Seventh-day Adventist hianin an Sabbath ser zong chu pathian atangin mal som na dong le kum som pakhat andam rei midang ai andam rei ta zokani
That's
atini
insane. And then the rest of you are going, I know this is really cool, but I don't know why. Okay, do you know what, guys, that's insane. Do you know what I just showed you? That the average person observes 11 years worth of Sabbaths in their lifetime. And that's the exact number to the day, the time that God added to the lifespans of the people that kept the Sabbaths. In other words, check this out. God is essentially going, every time you gave me a day, I added one to you.
katan ni iser shankain kapelet lem se itan kapelet lem se tin pathian in kawan tin akarani he video hi apoi mo maya he pastor Josa ngai itan bi kanila Seventh-day Adventist kovela adam rei polan nia kum som pakhat in America mimirte ai kwanin Seventh-day Adventist andam rei ni ti hi tlang shiat ania research base mitam takin an shiat ania ikigai bu ta kain siar tan ka shalawa ikigai bu te po khanin Seventh-day Adventist dam rei chan te po ain sia ka so wangin hai hi nial thai ani lawa Seventh-day Adventist member te pon in lo enin karinga Seventh-day Adventist member te tan po Sabbath hi adik wang ringot ni lovin pathian in aser shanga mala soma ati thiang te ma ama anen na len tun nani ani angin ama akan in tuai tharni tak ama akan thluk lu ni kan chol tak ni alo ni le thaina turin he video hian min fui phur se kadua a ming mai akor mai Seventh-day ni lovin Seventh-day Adventist tak kan lo ni Adam Ray Paul kan lo ni ve thei hi ei chu kadu sak chu sewa tin Seventh-day Adventist ni lo dan po hai hi in bi chian a chakop mai Bible a hian in pathian in Sabbath hi ada poi mo em juda ho lo pian ma de e fi le da ma huna changin swal tluk ma de in Genesis bong ni chang ni le chang thuma ni sari ni himala soma ti thiang lima a sep thiang lim alo ti dei toni tin Isaiah bong samruk paruk te kan siar chuanin van rama po Sabbath kan lamang don ti te po ni tin Sabbath ni hi Bible tluanin a oma thuthum thara po Isu pon Sabbath sera a zirti te pon Sabbath sera ni luka bung li chang som paruka te chuan Isu po ati dan pa ngai biakina ain khom thin ti kan hmoni pola po Sabbath nia ain khom thin ti kan hmuwa Isu chu Sabbath lalani ti te po kan hmoni Hebrai bung li chang ko pai chuanin pathian mi te tan chuanin Sabbath chu ala zela ni ti te po kan hmuani o chu tiang chu ania Bible a hian atlep te twara chu mai ba ka voina hian Sabbath ser lo mani Sabbath ser achat zia he video tang hian kan hmuwa pathianin mimir Sabbath ser velo te Sabbath ser velo shrim midang te ai khanin kum som pakhatin Adam rei tiat mai ni chu evidence nial thei lawani he mal som na hi tu pon kan chang thei Seventh Day Adventist se ta tur bi kan lo pathian in Bible asi ani wangin mi zong zomin chang ve turin he thu tak Bible thu hi ipi chiang teng u ti hi zan ina kain som na ani ole khati som khan me ro sen in sabayin mang cha ole